Hello, I'm one of the librarians in the Health Sciences Library at ICC. At the Health Sciences Library, we provide all the resources for students in healthcare careers. We provide instruction in classrooms such as the information I'm giving here today. We are here to help you research topics and complete class presentations and assignments. Each ICC campus has a library with books, journals, computers, and Wi-Fi. The library is always staffed with a librarian to help with reference and research questions. Librarians are also available on the phone or for chat during library hours. You will see the Ask ICC Library box on almost every page of the library website. The library is the first place to look for the authoritative information you need to write a paper or create a presentation. As students in a college, you are required to write papers that are supported by authoritative information. When you present information that is authoritative and credible in the workplace, you'll be perceived as a professional. If you follow a medical career path, you will need to be able to relate credible and authoritative information to patients. Information that you find on the library website is credible and authoritative information because it's been evaluated by the librarians. Other information on the internet that you find with a Google search may or may not be authoritative. I'm going to talk today about the library LibGuides, one of which has been created specifically for the coursework in medical terminology. In each LibGuide, we have collected the library materials for one field of study so that you can easily access them in one place. We'll talk about how to find credible information on the internet using search engines like Google and Yahoo. We're also going to talk about how to tell the difference between credible and uncredible information on the internet. Let's start by looking at some screenshots of the way you access library resources. Getting to the library website is available from the first page of the ICC website by choosing Library from the Around Campus menu. Access to the LibGuides is through the red box entitled Research. Once you click on that link, you will see a list of resources and choose LibGuides. You are then required to find the LibGuide from a list of LibGuide categories. But today we are going to talk about a much simpler way to get to the LibGuide. Your professors have made access to the library LibGuide extremely easy. By clicking on the link in your Blackboard, you are linked directly to the Medical Terminology LibGuide. It gathers together library resources and some online resources that will assist you in your work. The most important ones that we will review today are the Mosby's Dictionary, Nursing Reference Center, Taber's Cyclopedic Dictionary, and CINAHL. If once you are working inside the library website you become confused about navigation, return to this PowerPoint for a review. This is a screenshot of the first page of the LibGuide that you will see. The ebook version of Mosby's Medical Dictionary is circled here. Just click on the link to open the dictionary. A medical dictionary is not merely a list of words. There are several valuable tools found inside medical dictionaries. This is the contents page to the dictionary that you will see when you click on the active link. You can search the dictionary by putting search terms in the search bar that says Search within this title. For right now, we are ignoring the search for link at the top of the page. That link is for searching all the books in a particular database. The headings on this page are to the many tools within the dictionary. Here you will find quick reference tables to things like normal reference values or units of measurement. To reach that page of the book, just click on the blue link. The next screenshot will take us back to the LibGuide. When you open a book from the LibGuide, it will open in a new window. You can go back to the LibGuide by choosing the previous internet window or the previous tab at the top of the screen. Navigate through the LibGuide by using the large blue tabs on the left-hand side of the screen. Choose Finding when you want to find a library resource. Under this tab, the resources are organized in 4 different types: books, articles, reference books, and websites. To go to our next resource, choose Reference for Background Information, and you will see this page. We're going to click on Nursing Reference Center. This is the opening page of the Nursing Reference Center. The tabs at the top of the page indicate the different types of information you can find in the Nursing Reference Center. You'll need to practice using the Nursing Reference Center in order to discover all the information that you can find there. Note the Find box, which is the search bar. We are going to search for a disease by using the Diseases and Conditions tab. To execute this search, you first click on the Diseases and Condition tab and then enter your search command in the search bar. After we click on the Disease and Conditions tab, the material below the search bar changes and shows the index to diseases and conditions. You are now looking at the alphabetical index to this part of the NRC. I conducted a search for spina bifida. Note that this is still the index to the NRC. 3 resulting pages for spina bifida are shown. You can choose any of these pages by clicking on the entries. If you do not know the specific name of the disease you are searching for, you will not be able to find it in this index. You will need to use your textbook or other classroom materials to determine the correct medical term. This screen shows a search in the Practice Resources. You can search for different resources merely by clicking on a different tab and creating the same search for spina bifida. Practice Resources links you to the different books that are part of Nursing Reference Center. If you want to know about therapy skills for dealing with patients who have spina bifida, you would search under Skills and Procedures for spina bifida and therapy. You would add the search term therapy or a more specific kind of therapy term to exclude articles about surgery and spina bifida or other procedures unrelated to therapy. Use the word "and" in all caps so that the database knows you are not searching for the word "and." The NRC is an extremely useful research tool for health career students. We are back at the LibGuide page on the reference page, and now we're going to choose the Taber's Cyclopedic Dictionary. As indicated by the name, this dictionary is much more than a list of terms. Taber's has a great deal of information that will be useful to you. Click on the link. This page looks exactly like the Nursing Reference Center because Taber's is one of the practice resources inside the NRC. Note that the name of the book is under the tabs and the index below is only for Taber's. The search bar is in the index section of the page. I have made a search for a fracture in this example. This is the resulting page. There is a very brief definition of what a fracture is at the top of the page and a long list of fracture types on the left-hand side. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the fracture types and you will see the full entry for fracture, which includes drawings, treatment notes, and links to more information in the dictionary about some of the fractures. Mosby's Dictionary, the Nursing Reference Center, and Tabor's Cyclopedic Dictionary are some of the important resources within the LibGuide that will help you studying medical terminology. You should explore the LibGuide to find other useful resources for this exercise and for your research paper.